how to turn on overdraft on your Cash App. And this is really possible, you can do this. And here I have mentioned all the steps which you need to follow. So basically you have to enable overdraft coverage, open the Cash App on your mobile device, and here under the cash balance you should see an option, turn on free overdraft coverage, right? So basically there's a cash option and you can just go there and turn it on. Tap on the option and follow the prompt. Basically it will ask you verify if you're eligible for it. You need to have at least $300 in direct deposit payment on your cash each month. Right now the second option is basically using the overdraft feature. Once enabled, your Cash App balance can go negative up to $50 without incurring any overdraft fees. If your balance drops below $0, you can continue making purchases or withdrawal up to $50. So that there's a limit, right? And as you can read here, benefit of Cash App overdraft: no overdraft fees and flexible spending, automatic repayment and eligibility, right? So here this is a short summary basically, and I hope that how you can enable this and how you can get an overdraft on Cash App. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.